Hey, good morning. It's Eamon here, Infrared Heating Ireland. So today we're on a job here in Kildare, and I just want to show you, this client had electric wall heaters in every room, storage heaters and convector heaters. So we took away them, and especially in an apartment where rooms can be quite small, you're freeing up wall space by not putting a big electric heater back in the wall. So what we done is we installed our touchscreen controller. Oh, it's powered up already. Oh yeah, I can start to feel the heat. And we put our Sunjoy infrared panels onto the ceiling. So this is one of the heaters. So I'll just do a walk through the area. We'll go in here. Yeah, we have one in the bathroom here as well. You can see it on the ceiling. And then we move into the hallway here. We have a controller on the wall. There was a big bulky storage heater here, but we got rid of that. And then we have a panel over our head here as well, for putting down a nice bit of heat into the hallway. Then we move into the master bedroom, and the guys are just finishing off the wiring in here. But you can see the panel nice and neat on the ceiling. There was an electric wall heater here. Again, by putting it on the ceiling, you're freeing up wall space. And then you have your control panel there. And then we have another panel in here, and then we have another panel in. We've two panels here. So this is the main living area. You can see the electrician there just finishing off the wiring. So we have two panels here. We've one panel here and back there. So this will put a lovely gentle heat into the area. So there was a storage heater here on the wall, and there was one up here. You can see where the guys removed it. So we took all that away, and we fitted the panels nicely to the ceiling. So for more information, check out our website, infraredheat.ie.